Fire. Fire plus fire. Flame. Makes sense. Car. Car plus car plus car. Roar. Makes sense. Sunlight. Sunlight plus sunlight plus sunlight. Shining brightly. Makes sense. Wood. Wood plus wood. Forest. Forest plus wood. Forest. Are you ready for the boot camp? Tommy's Japanese lesson. Hey guys, this is local Japanese guy Tommy. From today, every Saturday, I will introduce 5 different kanjis. So this is Tommy's Kanji Bootcamp. Today's kanji theme is wood family. Lineup is like this: wood, forest, forest, material, book. So this is not typical kanji lesson like this means tsuri. This is come from the tsuri trunk. And then pronunciation is ki, moku, boku. No, it's boring! So you really don't need to memorize or taking some memo with this clip. Just enjoy. So I will not tell the details, but just drop some really good tips for motivating you guys. So there are only 2 types of kanjis: single kanji and complex kanjis. So this is wood. This is single kanji, and then this is material, and this is complex kanji. So you can see the wood part of this kanji, like left side. So if the kanji have this wood part, it means like that kanji meaning has something wood origin meanings. But it's not about all cases. So just as beginning, it's easy to think like this. So today's kanji theme is wood family. So wood, forest, forest, material, book. So about these forest kanji, like a double wood forest, triple wood forest, that's kind of a little bit complicated because it's kind of about how big forest is. So like a middle forest is double wood kanji, and then big forest is like a triple kanji. But some cases we use this double one as big forest. Like Amazon forest is use this double one. You need to memorize as a kind of word. You should not think really like deeply this time. Just memorize. Both are just a forest. And then about material. So in here, like every house material was wood before in ancient day, right? So the material has wood part. And then last one, the book. So in ancient day, like we just write down some information on the wood plate or bamboo, right? So it came from like a wood stuff. So these families are kind of pretty make sense stuff. And then for advanced examples, these are also wood families. Ita, fuda, tsukue, tsue. It means like it's board, plate, desk, cane or wand. So these could be made of woods, right? And then also plant name has wood part like this. The peach and then pear. So pear is like a bottom part is wood. If the kanji have wood part, it's kind of related with something wood. And then I said there are only 2 types of kanjis. And these kanjis have also only 2 types of usage. Use alone or use combined. So this is wood, right? This is used alone, wood. And then this is mokuzai. This means like timber. This is the word combined kanjis. So basically, you don't need to memorize as single kanji, like single kanji, single kanji, single kanji. Just memorize as a word. So this wood, single wood kanji, can be as like one word, wood. So it's really good for memorizing. And then this timber, mokuzai, is really good to memorize as a word. But like just moku and just a zai or just single kanji, single kanji. So if you want to improve your vocab quickly, you just memorize as a word. Even if you know like it duplicate your memorizing stuff. I memorized this kanji before. No, just as a memorize as a word, even if it's duplicate. Okay? And this is most important thing. You can forget everything about this clip, but please remember this tip. So even sometimes we can't read the kanjis, or we can't read a kanji word in the sentence, but we can guess. So this guessing skill is most important thing, and you should train this skill. Okay, I drop a quiz. Please guess what this word means. So this is shokuzai. Second kanji meaning is already it's material. The first kanji means eat. So eat material. Just guess. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. So this word meaning is ingredient, eating material. Kind of easy to guess. Even if we don't know the word meaning, we can guess the meaning. This is eat and this is material. Maybe this word means ingredient. So every kid's train these kind of skill. And by using furigana, they memorize kanjis as fast as they can. About furigana, I explained before. So please check my previous clip. And then, okay, let me explain one more thing about this kanji book. So this means book as a single kanji. But this kanji also means like root, origin, or truth. The combination with this kanji is showed up really often. Like honto is truth, honrai is originally, and then honmono is real. So every kanji used this book part, but it means like root or origin or something though. So these kanji could mean something root or original. So these words are pretty common, and then we just learned the very first moment in the school. So I don't know why these kanjis came from, why this second kanjis came from, or why these meaning with this combination or something. So this is kind of another tip. So you don't need to think seriously about how these kanjis came from or something. Kind of just kill your brain CPU and then put your brain hard disk just to put it just as a word. So if you have more interest or if you have more passion or energy, I drop these kanjis below as a description. So you can search these meaning or how to pronounce or how to use them. I hope you enjoyed this bootcamp and then enjoy your study. Okay, see you next time. Bye now! Wood plus wood plus wood plus wood. Jungle. I'm kidding.